Hey guys, JD here with the Kawasaki Ultra 310 jet ski. In my last video, I showed you how to install the Riva Racing Performance Ride plate on your 2022 Plus Ultra 310 or 2023 Plus Ultra 160 jet ski. In this video, we're going to take the Riva plate out in the ocean and see how it performs. This is the Riva Ride plate with its unique design with that center line skeg and deep sloping ramp. And while results on smooth water are important, I wanted to see how this Riva Ride plate performs in the chop. And I love video because don't even listen to what I'm saying. Just watch the ski, how it cuts through this chop right here flawlessly with the bow high above the water, no porpoising or submarining of this ski with that Riva Ride plate. The skeg also helps you with straight line tracking, giving you the confidence just to plow right through. Really, the confidence level I have riding the Ultra 310 in the ocean is unparalleled. It's such a solid ski. When it slams down hard, it's just the hull is thick enough that it absorbs the impact. There's no hollow slapping. There's no plastic creaking sounds from this ski. It just slams right through. So how does this Riva plate compare to other plates that I've tested? That's the big question. Well, I've ridden the K-Speed plate for a little over a year, and I have great things to say about the plate. I did put out a video of that plate originally, and I still think that that's a great option. It performs extremely well, especially in the chop. But the K-Speed plate has a couple shortcomings I wanted to discuss here. First, that it's painted, so the finish wears very quickly with heavy saltwater usage. Secondly, it's got this large gap between the ride plate and the pump shoe. I probably tried, a half dozen times to fill in this gap with silicone, and no matter which type of silicone I used or how I prepped the surface, the silicone would always break out of this section just because the gap is just a bit too large. The Riva plate, in contrast, is machined to a closer tolerance and has almost no gap at all between the plate itself and the pump shoe. When it comes to finishes, the Riva plate is marine powder coated, the K-Speed plate is painted, and the OEM plate is mill finish aluminum. In 2024, Kawasaki made some major changes to the KSRD, or Kawasaki Smart Reverse with Deceleration. This mount you see here is the provision that allows you to add a spring to the KSRD bucket. This will come on all 2024 and up Kawasaki Ultras from the factory, but in my case, my stock 2022 ride plate and the K-Speed ride plate both lack the provision for the mount for that KSRD bucket return spring. I chose to go with the Riva ride plate at this juncture because I am installing the full Riva Stage 3 kit on my Ultra 310. So because that Riva ride plate is an integral part of the Riva Stage 3 kit, I felt like the right thing to do is to put all the Riva parts on my ski to give you the most accurate assessment of that Riva Stage 3 kit and the speeds and performance that I'll achieve.
This is my first test of the Riva ride plate, and I gotta tell you, it handles great in the chop.
So my assessment is that the Riva ride plate does a great job at getting the bow up. It helps you travel through chop like this at a higher rate of speed. And the skeg, the center line skeg, really helps with straight line tracking. And let the video speak for itself. I provided you a couple great clips of me riding this ski pretty hard through moderate chop. And I really don't like to hold back with the Ultra 310. I really like to just power on through. And you could see that this plate really is a great companion for offshore riding. If you're interested in seeing what kind of speed numbers I get with this ride plate on relatively smooth water, stay tuned for my Riva Racing Stage 2 update video, coming soon only on JD's Waterworld. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more exclusive jet ski content, only on JD's Waterworld.